Hi guys, welcome back to a cooking video. Today we're gonna make some battered deviled prawns, crumb fried. So here we have some battered prawns and we've just put them into hot oil to give them a golden brown deep fried appealing flavor. So at the same time we've also got a pan with a little bit of oil, just waiting for that to heat up a little. Once the prawns are a perfect golden brown, they'd be ready for use, but until then I'm gonna work on this here. Right, looks like this is ready, so we're just gonna pop this over on a plate. Look at that, beautiful golden brown prawns. Now we're just gonna pop a few more in. And we're gonna add some onions, garlic and ginger into the pan here. We're just going to give them a little bit of a toss. Get the oil coated right all over. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. The onions are just caramelizing with the garlic there. I'm gonna add in some chopped bell pepper. It in, get that flavor right round. Beautifully mixed in. Just letting it sit in there for a bit to get a little bit of that flavor soaked in. Looks like the onions are turning a little bit brown on the edges, getting caramelized. And now we're just gonna add some chili paste. You can use different kinds of chili paste. Whatever you prefer works, as long as it's got a little bit of that spice factor. Now we're adding a little bit of tomato sauce. And now this is sweet chili. So just to recap, that's chili paste, tomato sauce, and sweet chili topped off with soy sauce. And we're just gonna mix it in. So that everything can soak it all up. Let all that marinate into it. We'll just Let it sit for a moment. Just gonna add a little bit of hot chili sauce into that, just to give it that extra bit of flavor. And we're just gonna mix it in. Just taking the second round of prawns out of the hot oil. Look at that, beautifully golden brown. Absolutely lovely. Just gonna pop in some more prawns in there. Look at that, beautifully caramelized. Looks like the sauce is thickening up. Now remember, if you want something to be more spicy, less spicy, or have more of a stronger flavor of soy sauce or sweet chili, just increase the quantity that you add of that particular item. Make something that suits your taste bud, see how you feel, and adjust the recipe based on the way you feel about it. There is no one perfect way to make it. Perfect is what you feel is what's appealing to you. Alright, we're just gonna pop those prawns out of the oil and onto the plate. Oh, look at that. Dripping in oil. Absolutely delicious. Perfectly golden brown. Alright, now this is quite ready, so we've just removed that from the stove, and we're just gonna pop in a few more bits of prawn cutlets. So there they go. So once we're done with all the prawns, we can get them into the mix here. So we're just gonna wait on that for a moment, and we're just gonna add some freshly chopped tomato in there. We're adding the tomato at this stage because we want them to be not so caramelized. So we're just gonna mix them in so that they are covered in the sauces. Alright, that looks right. And we're just gonna toss the prawns in. Now we're gonna mix it in to get them coated in that beautiful sauce right there. Now this is something that would be good with rice or bread. See what you feel like, and it works with almost anything, so be creative. We've got them off the stove and there they go, onto a plate. Absolutely lovely. Look at that. Just put in all of that sauce onto the plate. And there you have it. Deviled prawns. Try it at home, see how you feel, drop us a comment, tell us what you think. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe.